Hello, fellow traders. Talking about Bitcoin. I changed to Binance, but I marked this old on Bitstamp. You can see here we had a turning point, and then we have another turning point here on the weekly level. And this turning point, was a high, then a low. That means that this is gonna be a high. Well, actually, it's low, high, or high, low, high. It's gonna be a high we might touch. Um, this reversals here. Let's see if it's gonna show up. Yeah, we might go all to 71,000, but then we have a direction change this week as well. So just watch for this number. I think we might have a good move down. It did bounce on a daily level from the reversals, as I mentioned. Let's see, made the video somewhere here. Bounce out of this. Now I took out this reversal. It's gonna move up a bit, but then today I move a little bit more, but then then might go down. The reason being is on the monthly level. If we close um, under this, then you'll see a move down, which is 56,000. Hard to believe, but might happen. Nonetheless, if not, the next turning point is gonna be November. So we're either moving up to November, like big time, or we're moving down. It depends on this close on the monthly. All right, good luck.